How to contact Citibank customer support via desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need help with your Citibank account, well, here is how to contact Citibank customer support right from your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside the web browser you can simply click on the search bar and simply search for Citibank. And now here on the search result, you need to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Citibank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credential and here once logged in, you can simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and there you will see the option labeled as contact us. So simply click on that and after that, you can simply see different contact methods like chat with representative, call Citibank, which number will be displayed by the account type, and send a secure message if you are logged in. So there you can click on chat with us for quick support and a new window will open where you can type your question and get live assistance. And you can also send a message securely by clicking on Message Center under your account tools, and that's it. That's how you can contact Citibank support from your desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.